something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn and this is Life with Jocelyn Christina. So we are working on house updates and I haven't actually gotten a whole lot done this week, but I do want to go ahead and show you what I've done and also some items that have come in finally for delivery. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and get started and show you what I've done and what changes I've made and what items have come in. Okay, so as you all know, the last time I saw you guys, I had decorated my master bathroom and I put some curtains up here on the wall. They were too short, so I decided to go back to Target and get some more curtains. So I picked up these curtains. These are actually longer. They are just tied with these bows here that hold them up, which I thought was really cute. So I picked these up and I thought these would be really great because during the daytime, when I'm not in the bathroom taking a bath or taking a shower and I'm getting dressed, I could tie these up with the bows and then they could sit up straight like this. And then when I am in the bathroom and I'm getting ready to take a shower or something, I actually would just release those bows and they would come loose. The curtains would come down and they would hang longer down here. I could close the curtain fully and cover the entire window when I'm getting ready to take a shower or I'm bathing or something like that. So this is one of the changes I've made just since last week. So let me go ahead and take you downstairs and then I'll show you what I've done downstairs. All right, the other update that I have is in the hall bathroom. This bathroom is right behind the kitchen. I just added a rug onto the floor here. And then up here, I added this picture on the wall. I thought this would look really nice here. And then I also just added some soap here. I obviously, there's not enough space here for me to really add like a little stand or anything for the soap. So I just added just the soap here. And I would probably add like a little small bottle of lotion there. And then of course I have this window up here. I will have to get some curtains for this window. I might try to see if the curtains I was using in my master bathroom, see if those curtains will fit here. Okay, so I might try to put those curtains here. But yeah, so this is how this hall bathroom looks. Let me take you downstairs to the basement and I will show you what updates I have in there. So here we have the TV came in and that is just all of the boxes and stuff from the TV over there. This is the TV that I purchased from Best Buy, I believe with the TV and the delivery and everything and the setup. And then also I purchased a wall mount with it just in case I want to mount it later. So everything was $1,200, I believe, for the TV. This is a 75-inch television from Best Buy. I think it looks really good. The only thing is the TV stand is like really small compared to the TV. So I thought that, the TV stand would be big enough, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to buy another TV stand, like a much larger one. I'll try to find one that like fills up this entire wall space here. I might try to get even like a whole wall unit. That might look really good in this space. But yeah, so this is a Samsung also, and I really like it. It's a really nice TV. This sofa and love seat, this is actually from my previous place. I just kept this furniture because it's in good condition and I thought it would be great just to put in the basement. So we're just going to keep these items here in the basement for right now. So I just put this here. I do want to add some more decor. We've got a lot of decor we got to add down here. So I'm going to continue to shop around and find like a nice rug that will go here and try to put something over there in the corner. And then there's a lot of empty wall space that I want to decorate down here as well. And then over here, I want to show you these beautiful curtains. So I picked up these gorgeous curtains from Ikea. They were $29 a panel, and I just thought they were so beautiful. They're almost like a linen texture, and I'm just gonna get up close so you could see the curtains. They're just so pretty. I love the fabric. Like I said, almost like a linen kind of texture. Hopefully you can see them really good as I get up close to them. So I just thought they were just absolutely gorgeous, and it's a nice, very, I don't want to say they're exactly white. I feel like they're like just a touch darker than like a complete white color, but they're so beautiful. And then the curtain rod I got from this store called At Home. It's easy to install. You just nail in the hooks and then they mount up there on the wall. And I have this little plant that I just put over there. That's actually from my old apartment, from my previous place. So I just put that over there for right now. I'm not sure if it's gonna stay there, if it looks good, but I just put that over there at the moment. And then guys, my big reveal. I'm so excited. I finally received my brand new Peloton bike. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I ordered this Peloton bike a few weeks ago for, to try to create like a little home gym here in my house, and it's just absolutely amazing. I've worked out already like twice with it, and I just absolutely love it. It comes with this big, beautiful like touch screen here, and it came with a Peloton mat, which I'm just using to put under the Peloton bike itself, so that way like if I'm sweating, the sweat doesn't drip directly onto the carpet. And then there's this adapter piece that goes here, and then it comes with these shoes, shoes for the bike. I just actually kept them hooked into the bike itself because it's a lot easier for me to just slide my foot in them. I'm trying to see if I can move the pedal. So it comes with these beautiful shoes that you would wear to exercise on the bike, and then they clip in here to the bike at the base, which I just thought was really cool. Just strap them up here at the top, and so I just keep them on here, and then I just slide my feet in them when I'm getting ready to work out. And then of course, like I said, it comes with this beautiful touch screen, so you just touch the screen, and then I would tap on my name, my profile here, and then once I tap on my name and my profile, then it actually brings up all of the different workouts I can choose from. It is a touch screen, so I can just slide up and then pick a workout that I want to do. And this thing is amazing. Like, these instructors are so freaking awesome. Like, you feel like you're actually in a class with people. They are that lively and they're very engaging. It was definitely a great experience, the 2 classes that I've done so far. And then it also like keeps track of like all the exercises that you've done and the instructors that you've worked out with already, and it has your name up at the top. This is just like amazing. I absolutely love this. And then these are like the handlebars here, and then also like all the different knobs to adjust. So yeah, and then I just have this little mat over here that I had before to use to work out, and then the Peloton bike came with some weights, and then I just bought some more weights myself, and then that's just the box that the shoes came in. But yeah, absolutely love this bike. It is so amazing. I'm so glad I bought it. I'm actually going to do a workout later on tonight with it, so definitely worth every penny. If you guys want to see some more in person with me working out on my new Peloton bike, just let me know and I will make sure to record another video. If you guys want me to go more in detail about my Peloton bike with some more information about it as far as pricing and things like that, just let me know down in the comments below and I will make sure to do another more in-depth video. If you have purchased a Peloton bike and you have one, please let me know down in the comments what you think, if you like it. So far, like I said, I've worked out with it 2 times and I absolutely love it. It's just amazing, absolutely amazing. So let me show you what else I've done. This is the next update. So this is the bathroom down here in the basement. And so all I did down here was just add this picture up here on the wall, and then I added some neutral color tan rugs down here on the floor. And then I bought this little soap here, so I just put that up there. And then I also bought some hand towels that I just put right here. So yeah, so that's all I've done with this bathroom down here, downstairs in the basement. I definitely want to, you know, decorate some more down here. I want to make sure I add like maybe a little plant or something over there on the counter. Add something to put the soap, maybe some lotion on top of that on the counter as well. And that'll pretty much be it. I might put something like a little basket or something above the toilet. So yeah, so just some more items to add, but that's what I've done so far with the bathroom downstairs in the basement. I'm going to show you the last bathroom upstairs, which is the hall bathroom. In the upstairs, this is my boys' bathroom, so I'm going to show you that bathroom and show you what I've done up there. All right, and then the last update I have is this is my boys' bathroom. So all I did was just add this shower curtain. It's a little wet at the bottom because boys just took a shower. But so I got this shower curtain from Target. Very cute, neutral, nice gray and white color. I thought this would be great for them to use. And then I just picked up these white rugs also from Target as well. And then I picked up this soap dispenser here. I bought this from Target along with this little tray here for the boys for them to use and put their deodorant and other products on. And then this is that toothbrush holder that I got from Ikea. So my oldest son said he wanted to use it, so I got that for him to use. And then I have this other toothbrush holder that my other son uses. So, and then this over here, I just put this here. I'm not sure if it's gonna even stay there, but these were the little bath soaps. So I put them in here because my youngest son, when he likes to take a bath too, so you know he can use those bath soaps as well. But it's just something I just put there. I'm not sure if it'll stay there, but yeah. So this is how the upstairs bathroom looks, the main bath upstairs. And then I also just want to add obviously some pictures and stuff like that. I did have some white towels up here. I'm not sure where they're at. My boys probably took them down, so I will I will have to try to put those back up there. And but yeah, just want to add some more decor up here, some pictures on the walls. And then also, I didn't tell you, but I am wanting to work on getting some frames for all the mirrors and all the bathrooms. So yeah, so a little bit more work to do with the bathrooms, but that's what we have so far in here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me turn the camera around. All right, everyone, so that was pretty much it. This is a pretty short video this week. That's all I have for the updates for this week as far as home decor and items that have come in. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any ideas or recommendations, please put them down in the comments below. And other than that, I will see you all next week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated with all my house updates. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. All right, I'll see you all next week. Bye.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna